Oh wow! Drop dead gorgeous.
Yeah.
Oh,
What do you think?
Whoa! That's awesome.
Yeah. She did a good job too.
That's an awesome dress.
Yes.
You look gorgeous in it.
Thanks.
Yeah.
So do you?
Oh, thank you.
Because you gotta fix this one though. You gotta.
Oh yeah. Oh okay. Yeah, you can fix it.
Right.
Oh okay. I thought it was square, not. I don't know.
That's good.
Sweet.
You look great.
Thank you. Look around. Wow.
Married life is only hard when only one person is working on it, okay? If you want it to work, remember that either one of you can't do it alone. So any plans, decisions, goals, and even dreams you should discuss as a couple. Not necessarily agree to one another, because believe me, you'll be surprised how many things you'll disagree on down the road. But don't worry, that usually comes about 3 to 5 years into the marriage. So you guys will have time to prepare. I know we all heard it before, that happy wife means happy life. Well, what about the groom? So tonight I say, behind a happy wife is an amazing and a wonderful husband. So Vinny, I guess the pressure is on you. Remember guys, that being in love and marrying the right person will make a beautiful wedding. But if you actually add trust, honesty, and patience, lots of it will make a beautiful marriage.
I'm so glad that Paula found her happiness, someone who will be there for her, to love her, to grow old with her. So you are a very lucky man. So she's a dedicated mother to her boys, a hard worker, a favorite daughter. She's the only daughter. And I'm sure she will be a wonderful wife too. So I just hope that both of you continue to light the fire in your marriage and remind each other every day how special Paula is to you, Vinny, and how special Vinny is to you. And congratulations to you both.
Many of you know that Paula is my only daughter, a daughter that speaks physically and mentally tough. Hence, I give Vinny credit for being patient with her. We're so happy for you on this day, and we are wishing you all the best our Lord can offer. Remember to love and respect each other. Never criticize each other, instead give suggestion. Resolve problems in a peaceful way. Do not get tired of loving each other. God bless your marriage.
Everything's finally right. The dark made peace with the light. I'm gonna love you tonight, like the land meets the dawn.
Love is what brought you here today. Love is not just saying your vows, but meaning it. Love is not just signing a piece of paper proving that you are man and wife. Love is showing it, following through with it. Love is friendship that is understanding, caring, and forgiving. Love is loyal through good and bad. Without love, we be lost.
All I want is a promise. Lay it down. All our crowns, I wanna let love be our legacy. I wanna let love be the enemy.
Paula?
With this ring,
With this ring,
I offer it as a symbol
I offer as a symbol
of our everlasting love.
of our everlasting love.
Vinny,
With this ring,
with this ring,
I offer as a symbol
I offer as a symbol
of our everlasting love.
of our everlasting love.
These are the hands of your best friend, young, strong, and full of love for you. Holding yours at your wedding day as you promise to love each other today and forever. These are the hands that work alongside yours, together to build your future. These are the hands that will passionately love you. They will cherish you through the years. They will comfort you like no other. These are the hands that will hold you dear. When your fear or grief filled in your mind, these are the hands that will countless times wipes the tears of sorrows and tears from your eyes. These are the hands will tenderly hold your children. These are the hands that hold your family as one. These are the hands that give you strength when you need it. Lastly, these are the hands that even when wrinkled and aged, they will still reach out to yours, giving you the same unspoken tenderness with just a touch. Now, marriage is not just a contract. It's a bond with two people who love each other. Marriage is hard at times, but you get through it together. Marriage is communicating what you want and need from each other. Marriage is respect, devotion, loyalty, honesty, and patience to each other. Finally, marriage is sealed with a kiss. By the authority vested in me by the state of Nevada, I now pronounce you Mr. and Mrs. Nguyen. You may now kiss your bride. Woo!
Time stops when we're alone. You got my love, don't let it go.
Now you will feel no rain, for each of you will be shelter for the other. Now you will feel no cold, for each of you will be warm for the other. Now there is no more loneliness, for you two are two persons with one life before you. Go now to your dwelling place, and may your days be long and good upon this earth.
Congratulations, Mom and Dad, for getting married. Okay, so I'm gonna be happy for what's gonna come in the future, and and future adventures and events, or like where we're gonna go to, and I don't know what's gonna be next down the path road.
When a man meets a special person, someone he envisions being with for the rest of his life, someone he's comfortable being himself when they are around. For Vin, the time came 27 years ago when he met me. No, I'm kidding. Congrats, Vin and Paula, on a wonderful wedding ceremony. Vin, I couldn't be more happy for you, man. You found a beautiful family in Paula, Gabe, and Jeff to call your own.
One step away from caving in.
Paula was actually the second friend that I made when I first moved here to Reno, and that's a big deal when you're 13 years old. So for as long as I have known her, she has always been friendly, thoughtful, obviously hands down smart and intelligent, but most importantly loyal. And I'm so happy that she has found Vinny to share her life adventures with. And thank you for making me be a part of this special day. And I hope that the love that you guys share today just grows stronger as you grow old together. So cheers.
We'll always change, but our hearts forever stay the same. I'll be here when things go south. We can take our time just to figure it out. go.